Good evening, you're watching the News Now updates. Let's move today's headline. All India Confederation of SC/ST OBC organization held a press conference at their head office Reshamgarh Colony to apprise the LG through media about the removal of reservation clause for ST/SC OBCs in the draft New Excise Policy 2021 to 2022 released on 8th March 2021. R.K. Kalsotra, State President Confederation, said that Confederation met ex-Lieutenant Governor Shri G.C. Murmur on 27 May 2020 to discuss the inclusion of reservation for ST/ST OBCs in excise policy, and it will get approved by him but couldn't be implemented due to his transfer. Emphasizing on the 3T protocol of testing, tracking and treating, the Jammu and Kashmir government on Tuesday authorized district magistrates to take prevention steps for curbing the coronavirus infection in the Union Territory. Moreover, the State Executive Committee put Srinagar district in the orange category in the view of the rising number of COVID positive cases and fresh guidelines on COVID containment measures to be implemented from the next month. The J&K government also advised Educational Institute to take full safety precautions, ensuring social distancing and attendance in the class beside maintaining sanitation and hygiene in premises and striving for early identification and isolation of suspect cases. COVID-19 situation is going from bad to worse and the entire country is at risk. While there is a need to ramp up testing with a focus on RT-PCR, isolate, trace, contact and boost healthcare resources, the Union Health Ministry said Tuesday. Union Ministry Secretary Rajesh Bhushan in a press briefing in Delhi said that situation in India is going from bad to worse and it is huge cause for worry. There is need to ramp up testing in state union territories reporting caseload, Bhushan said. Politician and National Conference President Farooq Abdullah tested positive for COVID-19 on Tuesday, and he received wishes from speedy recovery from several leaders, including Prime Minister Narendra Modi. In the tweet this morning, the National Conference leader's son Omar Abdullah informed about his father testing positive for the coronavirus and also urged everyone to come in contact with him recently to get tested. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, while relying on his tweet, wished Farooq Abdullah, a Lok Sabha member and a former Jammu and Kashmir Chief Minister, a speedy recovery. The Jammu and Kashmir on Tuesday recorded 359 COVID cases, the highest daily count since December 19, taking the tally in the UT to 1,30,557. The death toll reached 1,990 with one new fatality. As many as 266 cases were reported in the Kashmir division, while 93 fresh cases were reported from Jammu division. The officials said Srinagar district recorded the highest number of 150 new cases, while includes 51 travelers, followed by 59 in Jammu district, 46 in Baramulla, 96 each in Budgam and Kathua. Union Education Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank inaugurated a Happiness Center at the Indian Institute of Management, Jammu, virtually on Tuesday. The minister said that incorporating happiness in the academic curriculum is a very crucial step towards empowering the nation and congratulated the institute for the venture. In the major setback to the PDP, its senior leader and former MLC Sudhir Chaudhary on Tuesday resigned from the basic membership of the party, saying it has been hijacked by drawing room politicians, land grabbers and land mafia members. Moreover, the party has been facing issue as 8 prominent leaders have quit party in last 6 months. He said he was leaving the party because it has been hijacked and not under the pressure of any government agency. Weather generally remained dry in J&K and Ladakh on Wednesday. Fair dry weather is expected in the valley during the next 48 hours, an official of the Meteorological Department said. Shri Arun Malhotra, former international football player from J&K, today called on Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha here at Raj Bhavan. Shri Malhotra apprised the Lieutenant Governor of various issues pertaining to the welfare of sportspersons of the UT. He also expressed his gratitude towards the UT government for developing sports infrastructure in J&K. An inter-zonal district level long distance race organized by Department of Youth Service and Sports at Pulwama. Under the Swachh Sarvekshan 2021, Gangyal emerged as the number one and a program was organized in Gangyal on this occasion. Police stopped the drivers for not wearing masks and drivers at various places. Those who were not wearing masks, their challans were cut, and it was explained that in this corona era, where so many people have lost their lives, do not be careless about your safety. Baramulla police fines 200 people over a day for not wearing masks, collects rupees 20,000. Car dealers stage protest at Press Colony, Srinagar against the order of RTO Srinagar. Thank you for watching the video.